Welcome to Cellix's video channel. This video will guide you through the general cleaning protocol for Cellix's microfluidic flow sensors and advise you on which cleaning agents to use depending on the liquid media samples you are working with. We recommend this cleaning protocol after every use and before storing your flow sensor. Improper cleaning or no cleaning may leave deposits on the internal flow channel wall that can cause incorrect flow rates to be displayed. General rules. Do not allow the flow sensor to dry out with residual media inside the flow channel. Avoid letting a filled flow sensor sit for prolonged periods. Cleaning agents should be chosen for their effectiveness in removing the liquid media. In general, we recommend finishing the cleaning procedure with an isopropyl alcohol or IPA flush before draining the fluid and closing it for storage. Top tip. The advantage of using IPA is that it evaporates without residue, in contrast to acetone. Before storing the flow sensor, always drain the fluid. This is done easily by connecting an empty syringe and pushing air through the flow sensor. We recommend a 1 ml syringe for 1.5, 7 and 80 microliter per minute flow sensors, and a 5 ml syringe for 1 ml per minute flow sensors. Once there are no liquid droplets emerging from the tubing may be disconnected and the plugs provided should be installed on the fluidic ports for storage. Finally, never try to clean the flow sensor by mechanical means and never put any rigid or sharp objects inside the flow sensor. Example 1. Working with non-deionized water, organic materials, cell culture media, PBS and cell suspensions. Do not allow the flow sensor to dry out with residual media inside the flow channel. Salts, minerals, proteins or cellular debris in the liquid media will deposit inside the flow channel and are difficult to remove. The cleaning protocol is as follows. 1. Gently flush with air. 2. Gently flush with deionized water. 3. Gently flush with solvent such as IPA. 4. Gently flush with air again. 5. Close the input and output ports of the flow sensor with the plugs provided and store. Example 2. Working with oils. Do not allow the flow sensor to dry out with residual liquid media inside the flow channel. Oils can leave sticky films on the wall of the flow channel and are difficult to remove. The cleaning protocol is as follows. 1. Gently flush with air. 2. Gently flush with solvent such as IPA. 3. Gently flush with air again. 4. Close the input and output ports to the flow sensor with the plugs provided and store. Example 3. Working with alcohols or solvents. Unlike other liquids, alcohols and solvents are not critical and only require a short flush with IPA. The cleaning protocol is as follows. 1. Gently flush with air. 2. Gently flush with IPA. 3. Gently flush with air again. 4. Close the input and output ports to the flow sensor with the plugs provided and store. Caution. Make sure the alcohols and solvents are compatible with the flow sensor's wetted materials, tubing, connections, etc. Example 4. Working with multiple liquids. Switching between multiple liquids can leave transient deposits in the form of separated liquid layers inside the flow channel. We recommend a dedicated flow sensor for each different liquid. And that's it, you've just cleaned your microfluidic flow sensor. If you'd like to learn more about our microfluidic solutions, then check out the other videos on our channel or get in contact with us now.